So in question 11, we've got a rather complicated looking question involving circle geometry, I presume circle theorems and everything. And they want us to find this angle here. We know that the diameter and the tangent must be at a right angle to each other. So we've actually got a right angled triangle here, the triangle OBC. 48 degrees sitting down here means that this angle up here must be equal to 180 minus 90 minus 48. And that works out to be 42 degrees. So how can we use the 42 degrees here to get to our angle here? Well, look, if you put in this chord here, we've got an angle subtended to the center, an angle subtended to the opposite side. And we know that this angle here is double the angle we want. Well, we can work out this angle here because it's part of 360 degrees, of which this is 180 degrees, and we've got 42 as well, and the remainder is the angle EOD. And that is equal to 138 degrees. And as I said, that angle stands on the chord ED, which also subtends, this time to the opposite side, not to the center, the angle we want, which is EFD. So therefore I can say that angle EFD is equal to 138 divided by 2, which is equal to 69 degrees. And that's your answer.